Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a great week so far. So in today's video, we're going to be going over some instant savings deals that I tried out in the store, plus we have some updates. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. All right, guys, let's jump right in. All right, guys, so first up, we have an update on the free back-to-school supplies from Ibotta deal. Now, if you haven't checked this out already, I'm going to leave a link to the video down in the pinned comment below, so definitely go and check it out and get in on these freebies. But anyways, I went ahead, I did all of my free deals, scanned my receipt, everything worked out perfectly. Then I was checking my husband's Ibotta account last night, and this new freebie is popped up. So this is on free Sharpie highlighters. It's for $2.69 back. So definitely double check your Ibotta accounts. Even if you've already picked up all of those school supplies, there may be new offers on there now. So double check and let me know down in the comment section what new freebies you found. Guys, so the next update is on this coupon for save $2 when you spend $10 on back-to-school stationery items. So big shout out and thank you to Susan for giving me the heads up on this. She tried the deal out a couple of times. She tried to pick up $10 worth of products and then $12 worth of products, and the coupon did not attach at the register. Now, I did scan some items in the store and look them up on the app to see if maybe this was just a weird coupon like the gain coupon, where the coupon does attach to certain items, but maybe one item didn't attach to the coupon, so that throws the whole deal off. But as far as I can tell, it looks like it's attaching to most of everything that's related to back to school supplies. So if you guys have tried this deal, let me know how it went, if it was a fail or if it worked. Now, I'm going to hang on to my coupons because my state does have a tax-free weekend coming up, so that's when I'm going to do my deals and try out this coupon. But if you guys have any updates or if you see any other coupons post about it, please let me know down in the comment section below, and we'll just have to be careful and just be aware that this coupon may not be working. Alright guys, so for our next update, I have a new glitch for you all. So if you watched my last video, I told you all we have this glitch on the BioFreeze 1-count patches. They're priced at $1.75. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, making that free, plus giving you 25 cents in overage. But good news, we just received a new BioFreeze coupon that is $2.50 off one, and it is glitching and working on the 1-count patches. So if you pick up one at $1.75, use that $2.50 off one digital coupon. That'll make it completely free, plus give you 75 cents in overage. Now, this is going to be great for our 5 off $25 scenarios because we have a ton of awesome coupons that are not giving us overage, but these little BioFreeze patches are going to make the deal even sweeter. So if you can find 2 of those BioFreeze patches, that's going to give you $1 in overage. Alright guys, so next up I have a little bit of an update on the Garnier coupons that were giving overage. Now when these coupons came out on Sunday, it was kind of confusing because some people were getting them for a penny, some people were getting them with overage. Now, just to clarify, unfortunately, to get the overage, you have to go through self-checkout, and a lot of us don't have those self-checkout aisles yet, but it was just kind of a little bit of a miscommunication and a misunderstanding, so I did want to clarify that. These coupons are still working together, so if you pick up any of these 3 products that I've told you guys about, and you have the regular register where you have to go through the cashier, it will just bring it down to a penny, which is still a great deal. That's going to work out great for our 5 off $25 scenarios. But I did want to clarify that, and I do apologize for any kind of confusion that I may have caused. I saw the receipts, it was giving overage, so I just assumed it was working up for everything. So it was just kind of an innocent mistake, miscommunication, that it has to be through self-checkout in order to get the overage. But like I said, it's still going to be great for our Saturday scenarios because it's basically a free item. I do want to remind everyone to take your beauty quiz. So the link is down in the description box below. Go take the quiz. It just takes a couple of minutes, and then fill out all your information and they will send you a free beauty bag in the mail. So go and check it out. Don't forget, so that you can get in on this freebie. Alright guys, so here's my little Dollar General haul for this week. I wanted to go in, try out a couple of things, try out some coupons and some instant savings deals. So everything went really smoothly, so we're going to go ahead and jump right in. First up, we have this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. You can find this in the dollar aisle. Sorry about this camera. One of these days I'll figure out how to fix that. But there's the barcode if you want to type it into your app and see if the store has it in stock. But don't completely rely on the app and that inventory, because it's a 50-50 chance whether it's going to be right or wrong. So we have this. We have a 50-cent off one digital coupon, which is working on this. Like I said, it's $1, so that'll bring you down to 50 cents. That coupon is also glitching on several other items. We have the Lysol wipes. I'll pop up a picture here. And then we also have the Lysol multi-surface cleaner. Here is the barcode for that. And like I said, if you find any of those 3 items, use the 50-cent off one coupon. That'll leave you paying 50 cents. But for this little trip to DG, we have a 50-cent off one insert coupon that came in last Sunday's inserts. This is the Smart Source. Mine was on the back here. We have all kinds of Lysol coupons. But this one down here in the corner, we have 50 cents off one Lysol toilet bowl cleaner product, and it does not have a size restriction. So I wanted to try that out, and it worked perfectly fine. No beeps, no nothing. And this coupon does not expire until August the 14th. So that's a great filler item for your Saturday scenarios, or just a great, product to pick up during your daily deals. So that ended up being just 50 cents. We'll move that out of the way. Next up, we have instant savings on Dove products this week. Now, hopefully some of you guys got in on the Dove deal on Sunday. That was a Sunday only deal because we had a buy one Dove body wash, get a Dove deodorant for free, and it expired on Sunday. So hopefully you guys saw that community post. If you're not already subscribed, please do that, but also turn on your notifications, because sometimes we have these deals and they're one day only, and I don't have time to put up a video, so it's a lot easier just to make a community post. And if you're subscribed and your notifications are turned on, you'll get notified whenever that post goes up, or I put out a new video. So make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss out. So here's the Dove deal that I wanted to try out. We have the Dove hand wash. These big bottles are $4.50, and then we also have these smaller bottles for $3.50. So the instant savings is spend 8 and you'll instantly save 2 at the register. So if you pick up both of these, that's going to put you right at $8. So perfect. What you want to do though is ring up this first one, the larger one first, and this one second. Now I also want to mention that the Dove Instant Savings is stacking. So if you wanted to pick up 2 bottles of the 2 larger ones and 2 of the smaller ones, you could definitely do that. But just for me to try this deal out, this is what I wanted to do. So just make sure you're scanning the larger one first and the smaller one second, so that the $4.50 will come off first. So like I said, your $8, your $2 in instant savings is going to come off first at the register. Again, ring up the larger one first, and the smaller one second. Then you're going to use this buy one get one free that we received in the save insert on Sunday, if my camera will focus. And that is going to take off $4.50. So your final price for both of these hand washes is just going to be $1.50 for 2, making those 75 cents each. And I'll pop up the breakdown on the screen here. So that's a really great deal, great to throw in with your 5 off 25s for Saturday. I will probably include a deal where we're using some paper coupons. So let me know down in the comment section if you have paper coupons to use, because I don't want to leave anybody out, but I know that there's a lot of you guys out there who do use insert coupons, and we want to get the best deals possible. So moving on, we'll go ahead and move the Dove out of the way. Snuggle, we have a instant savings of $3 when you spend $15 on Snuggle products. So we received these. I also have an all digital deal if you guys don't have insert coupons, that I'll show you guys here in just a second. But we did receive these insert coupons. One is $1 off any one Snuggle product. This one down here is specifically for the in-wash scent boosters or the Snuggle shakes. So these scent boosters are $4 each. Now you can definitely mix and match, and just depending on how many of these coupons that you have, you can definitely mix and match and come up with all kinds of ways to use this instant savings and these coupons. But here's what I wanted to do. I picked up 3 of these Snuggle scent booster packs. They had the new scent over here, so I picked up 2 of those and 1 of these. Those are $4 each, so that puts you at $12. Then, if you can find the 40 count dryer sheets, these are only $2. So I picked up 2 of those, so that put me at $16. And the thing about this one is you want to ring up the scent booster packs first, because this $1.50 off one insert coupon will also work on these. But we want this higher value $2 coupon to work on these, and the $1.50 off one to work on these. Now this alone is a great filler item. If you just picked up one paper, grab you a box, 40 count sheets, they're $2. Use this $1.50 off one paper coupon. That'll leave you paying just 50 cents. So that's, again, another great filler item if you don't have enough paper coupons to do an all Snuggle deal like this. So yeah, great filler item again. Anyways, so we're at $16 total. The $3 in instant savings is going to come off first at the register. Then you're going to hand over 3 of these 2 off 1 insert coupons. Then you're going to hand over 2 of the $1.50 off 1 insert coupons. And these don't expire until August the 8th. I'm not sure if we'll have the same instant savings for next week or not. So yeah, I went ahead and did this deal. So here is my receipt. I did this deal completely separate. So there you can see the instant savings did come off here. That's the store discount. There's the manufacturer coupon. And subtotal was just $4 for all 5 products. So that is a really great deal, especially if you are a reseller, if you do bundles. These are great. Anytime I've put these in bundles, people love them. I love to use them myself. So really great deal. I just now noticed that this one was, somebody must have opened that and to see if they like the scent. Oh well, that's fine. I will definitely use it. Okay guys, $4. Don't forget, scan the scent boosters first. Hand those scent booster coupons, the $2 scent booster coupon over first, and then scan the sheets last and hand these $1.50 off 1 coupons over last. Again, same thing with the Dove. Hand the larger Dove over first, smaller Dove over second to be rung up. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you an all digital deal that you can do with the Snuggle and all instant savings. Alright guys, so here is your instant savings deal on the all and Snuggle products. That is an all digital deal. So you want to pick up one of the all free and clear 88 ounce liquid laundry detergents for $7. One of the all free and clear 36 ounce liquid laundry detergent for $4, and 1 Snuggle product for $4. Your subtotal will be $15. The $3 in instant savings will come off first at the register. And then here are the coupons that you're going to need. The $1.25 off 1 all free and clear digital coupon, $1.25 off 1 all free and clear from the coupons.com app, and the 1 off 1 Snuggle digital coupon. Your subtotal after coupons will be $8.50 for 3 items, making each item just $2.83 each. Now, I know that this is a little bit more than we typically like to spend on laundry detergent, but if you throw this in with a 5 off 25 deal, it'll make it even cheaper. Plus, I know that there's several of you all out there who have to use the All Free and Clear brand of laundry detergent. And with this deal, you are getting the larger 88-ounce jug. And going from $7 to $2.83, that's a pretty good deal. So I just wanted to go ahead and let you all know about this, and it is an all digital deal, so that way if you don't have insert coupons, you still can grab a good deal on laundry products this week. Alright guys, and here's just a little alternative deal for the Dove hand soap. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Dove hand soaps that are priced at $4.50 each, those are the larger bottles, that's going to put your subtotal at $9. The $2 in instant savings will come off first at the register. Then you're going to hand over that buy one, get one free insert coupon from last Sunday's save insert. That'll leave you paying $2.50 for 2, making those $1.25 each. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Now I will have a Walgreens haul video coming up here shortly, so be on the lookout for that. And before you go, y'all know the drill. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.